What is up, people? Quick 10-minute live stream. I've got to go out. I need to buy a car. For England, like a cheap one. But crazy day. Let's just have a few people come in. Good day, closing up 700. Just short of 700. I just need Emrin to feel its first red day. Touch and go. Did I buy another 200? No. Yo, Hank. Yeah, I think I can have faith with Emrin. Didn't trade perfectly, but traded really pretty well. Green 4 out of 4 stocks. Had a really nice long on REPL. We'll just go through them. I'm in MRIN now. But trading's really it's really turning around. I'm really getting a good feel for the market. The more plays, the more stuff's coming down. The real gimmies are there again. So 636. So hang on, that is just share screen. So like it was even rough. Like the start of the month, I took 2 dumb as hell losses. So, but today 636 plus this, if it comes in, should be 676. We're looking at like a 700 day. I'll finalize it later, but we'll be 700 about. Is it? No, it's not Friday today, is it? No shit. That's wrong. 700. Yeah. So not bad. Not bad. 700. So that puts us like 2.7k net. Some fees. I'm up $2,000. Puts us on 44 for the year. Not bad. The play that I'm actually in live right now is MRIN. Hello, everybody. How's it going? Day 31. MRIN, I am covering at 263. It's 272. It's one of my favorite first red day patterns. Like you've got all this big push, loads of volume, and then like people are maybe expecting the day two, and then shit, they find themselves it's gap down 20%. Yeah, I like to play these into small pushes. So we got a small push at the open into the 3, so I took a short. Fucking calm down, I've got no patience. Fucking I'm a piece of shit. Oh wow. Yeah, I got 70 in total. So 682 plus 20 is 702. That's $702 for the day. It's pretty cool. Emrin explained it. Nice first red day short. I'm out of all positions. Yeah, that's cool. First red day. The play that I liked the most was replay. REPL. Yeah, it was funny. I really like the wedge break on REPL. I'm still developing confidence with higher price and long setups. So I was in this basically from the 42s, took it up to the 46s, so made $4. Made $4 on REPL. And then I just panicked out. Like I was like 5% higher price. I'm not brilliant at these. Just panicked out and took it off. So like I made $40. The trade zero play, again, taking the safest plays in trade zero to grow that account. It was a really nice, where's my close position? Adel. Made a bit of money on my small account, taking the safe trades. Adel to grow that account. Look, there's just like 100 million of bag holders in here. It's gapped up. It's weakish price action. Try to double top, failed. As soon as the double top, fails. Straight in short into the push covering. Adel was a nice $320. And KBSF was like I mean, look, it was 1,000 day, if I'm being honest. I totally messed KBS. Oh, it's double bottom in hell, but look, even he has a good short. I messed up KBSF because I took too much size. I took I think I was in $3,000 in it, and then I like panicked myself out and cut stupidly, and I just lost $70 because I was in too much size. Where I should have been just 1,500, 10% drop, like, you know what I mean, like 150. Took too much size and panicked out. So I took 322 on. So basically, Adel was 320, KBSF was 320. Now, Adel was 350 pretty much because I was on another account. Emrin was 70 first red day. Replay was 40, which was me long. KBSF, it's just whippy. It's scary, but the daily is like mega safe. This is a terrible stock. The volume's not there. I mean, you have to be an active god or a huge hedge fund playing games or for this to run. You should really be seeing the 250s on the end of the day on this. And the only other runner was AVK. I couldn't get borrows, and 52 week high, top percent gainer. Like, I'm not really bothered about them. And honestly, like, I'm not bothered about them for this reason. Like, it went from 260 to 5. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's traded 15, 20 million pre-market. It's a 3 million float. It's got no history. Actually saw some people in this with some size pre-market. And look, and I see people posting big P&Ls, but I'm like, I'm not trading shit like this. I'd rather, like, yesterday I made $120, and I saw people having $1,000 days, but I looked at the setups and I'm like, you're gonna get fucking burnt playing that setup one day. And then look what happens today. I mean, I'm gonna ask F1 Team Boss if he's in this right now. And I know other people that took it, like, F1's more disciplined these days. But yeah, to be honest, like, there wasn't loads. Like, I mean, like I say, Adel and KBSF were really good gap and craps. Emrin was a nice first red day. Replay was a good breakout long. I haven't even looked at the higher priced more. So you've got a nice trend break on Tesla, but it's mid range. Baba was interesting because it was like fake out breakout on this day, but it's like it's hovering in this area, but it's not doing anything. Have a quick look at Apple for fun. Apple's mid-range. The market's mid-range. The market doesn't know what it's going to do coming into elections. I got squeezed out sadly on this push. So I was actually short the SPY, and it looks like it's hovering to have a bit of a decent pullback red day. I don't know what's happening with the stimulus checks. But look, I'm taking me 700. I could have made 300, but I messed up KBSF. KBSF should be coming down now, is it? There it is. It's like predicting the future. So, I mean, that KBSF, like 3,000 from 3 to 270, 3,000, 10%, 300, plus minus the 50, I lost 350. That was me 1,000 day. So, messed it up, but like, there's only so many chances you can take in the stock market. Like, I took KBSF pre-market on the double top and wrote it down for like 400, and then I took it again on VWAP, but I was a bit sketched out by it. Thought it had potentially just to get the 330s, 340s, and I didn't want to hold up there. With a call, I found it just a lot safer. Not a call, Adel. With Adel, I just found it safer because it was a lot heavier. And you had the morning push, but a slam hard rejection. And again, I took Adel off too quickly. I was taking it off in the 2s, and it's down in the 180s. So I'm leaving percents on everything. But look, I'm not going to complain. Like, I have an 8. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah. I have an 8 in 40 hours. So, like, I'm not going to go too extreme on myself, but in all honesty, the clarity is significantly higher, not even. I have an 8 for 2 days. I feel good. BTGN, what's that? MRIN's coming down now to the 62, so that was an extra $30 I could have made. Wow, BTGN's not got the volume, but it's interesting, but it's not got the volume. Do you guys are you guys in any tickers that you want us to look at? Like I say, I've got to go get a call. Little Bram, let's see what Little Bram's made $100. What a legend. What a legend. So Bram was like $1,000. You guys know Bram. He's got $1,000 account. He went full-time trading because he didn't want to be in school. He's like this 18-year-old Dutch kid. He was really losing faith, losing hope, trading like profitably, but with not enough. Not like his commissions were killing him, and he was going to go long. And I'm like, don't go long. Like you've been learning short. You short bias naturally, and we traded together, and we made $100. Like I made 700, and he made 100, but we traded together. I wanted to help him out, and I'm dead proud of him for nailing his trades because he traded KBSF better than me. he did ultimately, but with smaller size. That's all I've got for you guys. What's up, Hank? What's up, Lucas? Great to see the same people coming back. Clint, awesome to see you, brother. Hope you're doing well. There I am. Nice to see you, brother. Day 31. Trade Zero small accounts grown, but not as much as I want to do, but like whatever. It's good. And there's an affiliate link if you want to set up a small account. It's particularly good for international. If you're international, Trade Zero is excellent because you can have a $600 account in short. That's how I turned 600 into 15K through Trade Zero. So please use me link. Please, maybe you need a haircut. Nah, I'm gonna get a shit one. Like I'm not joking. I've made $2,000 this week, and I'm probably gonna buy a car with it. I'm not even joking. I'm honestly gonna buy a car with that $2,000. It's a cheap one because I'm gonna probably be traveling in a few months. SDC. Nice double top, 52-week highs. So you've got mixed signals. I don't think there's any room on that, mate. It's not very volatile. Like you've got 10% max. It's not a good trader. GBTC. I know the whole thing with Bitcoin and PayPal, and this is by 52s. Mate, to be fair, and it's a previous runner. It's not a bad shout. I mean, look, I like it. I get the PayPal news. I like the like it's multi-month breakout, not quite 52s, but it's multi-month. You'd have to be playing this with range and smallish size, because well, not smallish size. Yeah, I mean, look, I don't mind this. If this breaks this level, you've got a bit of resistance here and a bit of resistance here, but on the basis of the news, I like it, and it's a 15 really nice whole round number break. The only thing is that there's no volume. That's the only thing. That's the only reason I wouldn't take it, because if the PayPal news was good, really good for Bitcoin would be surging on 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, millions, and it's not. So it's not good. Bridget, what's up? How's the fast for me? I'm fucking ready for a bottle of wine. What's up, Beef? Follow you on Steady Trades? Yes, sir. I'm on Steady Trade podcast as well. Just had a good episode with Kim. Like, what else? This is getting really good. Yeah, I mean, look, I went to the small account because I was going through a rough patch. But now I'm like really come out of it. I'm really doing well again. And like when you like look at the end of the day, 500 day tomorrow is a 2.5K week, 2.5K weeks are 10K months. The plays are really there, they're really solid. I'm just like I had a bad moving home fucked us up. I don't know why. But again, let's have a quick recap before I close up. Adel left too much on as always. KBSF, I'm predicting new lows. There's new lows. It's a fucking bag hold that chart. Oh, I'm so mad at myself for messing that up. Just panicked, just got scared. Because sometimes when you're having days that are too good to be true, they are too good to be true. Emran, first red day, left a bit on that, but it's fine. It's a bit liquid anyway. REPL is looking like it's just trying to get through the 4650s breakout. Just couldn't make it for whatever reasons. That looks like it might need another couple of days before it pushes to new highs. True that, brother. All right, look, I'm taking me $700 and I'm running. If there's a good trade in the afternoon, might try and get the 1,000, but I don't see the point unless there's something brilliant. So I've already had that was 1,000 realized, so I'm calling it 1,000. So I've already had me 1,000 day for the week. I don't want to push it. I'll just go for another 400-500 tomorrow, and it's a fucking brilliant week. We're starting to. I mean, look, that was the $4,000 week was good, but other than that, look, I haven't been having these consistent. I had a 3.6 in August, but I haven't got I'm missing the consistency of the 3K, the 2.5, the 2.3, and then in June 3.9, 1.3, 1.2, not as good, but then May was 3.7, 3.2, 3.7, 3.4 a week. I know more now, so now that the market's getting good and hot again, I should be consistently putting these 2 to 3K weeks in. That's it. Peace. Live the dream. God bless. And I'll see you in another life. I'll see you in another life, brother. See you in another life, brother.